Hello guys, in this video we will see how to verify age in Roblox. For voice chat step-by-step guide, and we'll cover everything you need to know. Let's get started. Step of access Roblox account settings. Content begin by opening the Roblox application or website and logging into your account. Once logged in, locate and click on the gear icon typically found in the top right corner of the screen. From the drop-down menu that appears, select Settings to navigate to your account configuration page.
Step navigate to account info and start. The verification content within the settings menu on the left-hand side. Click on account info, scroll down to the personal section where your date of birth is displayed. Below your date of birth, you should see how to verify my age button. Click this button to initiate the age verification process for voice chat access.
Step prepare your government-issued content. After clicking Verify My Age, Roblox will prompt you to prepare a valid government-issued photo identification. This could be a driver's license, passport, or stated card. Ensure that it is current, not expired, clearly legible, and that you have physical access to it for scanning purposes.
Step scan your ID using a mobile device. Content Roblox will display a QR code or provide a link using your smartphone or a mobile device with a camera. Scan the QR code or open the link. This will direct you to a secure verification portal. Follow the on-screen instructions to use your mobile device camera to take clear photos of the front and back of your government-issued ID.
Step complete facial scan for liveness. Check content. Once your ID has been successfully scanned, the verification portal will then prompt you to perform a liveness check. This involves using your mobile device's front camera to take a real-time selfie or a short video of your face. This step helps to match your face to the ID and confirm you are a live individual. After completing the facial scan, submit your verification request and wait for Roblox to process it, which usually takes only a few minutes.